Hi, this is Elizabeth with WTI, and is it really cold outside in wintertime? Well then, you know you want to be nice and cozy inside with drinking some hot chocolate. Swiss Miss has this new flavor, salted caramel, well at least it's new to me, and it's really good. It is very strong on the salted caramel. It tastes just like you're eating chocolate caramel, and so it's perfect. It gives you a little bit of that salty and sweet all at the same time. It has the little packet, so that way if you're making it just for one person or for multiple people, everyone can have their own packet. You don't have to be constantly scooping things out or getting things contaminated and things like that. So I love that everything always has your own packet. The packets are super easy to use. You just rip them open, you put hot water in or milk, whatever you prefer, pour it in your cup, and it's gonna be so yummy. It's a new flavor, salted caramel. It gets all your taste buds really excited. Stay warm in the winter with some yummy salted caramel. And that's my point of view.